This is my keto-friendly Reuben on a low-carb bun, and I've got some corned beef, there's some Swiss cheese and a pickle and some grainy mustard. A classic Reuben sandwich. I have some Never Boil Again corned beef, which I chilled and sliced very thinly. I've got some, these are little buns, almost like a McDonald's bun. They're very thin keto buns. And I buttered them on both sides. And I'm going with a grainy style mustard. We want to put that, I'm going to say probably on the top half. You can use a ballpark mustard if you want, but I like this grainy on here. So we've got that on. I've got my Blackstone heating up. I have my sliced Never Boil Again corned beef. I'm just going to warm it up a little bit. Put my slices on there just for a minute. I've got some Swiss cheese, nicely sliced thin Swiss cheese, and I'm going to put a half on each side. Half on that one, half on that one. There we go. We've got our sliced cheese. Now I've got some sliced dill pickle. Dill pickle has to go on. I'll put that on the bottom right there. Just like a gentle warm into that. Not even a minute. And a hack that I learned from the Caribbean, everything that you use on your Blackstone or on your grill or whatever you're using, is put a little bit of tin foil on. This is a bacon press, and what that's going to do is just help you with your cleanup. So I like that. I'm going to put this on. And then we'll put the lid on top. Lid on top like that. We're going to cook this just like a grilled cheese. But if you've never made a Reuben, this is like perfect for leftover corned beef. So I'm going to put this on hot spot, just like that. And I preheat it so it doesn't stick. And then we just push that down. We're going to make this nice and melty, and there you go. Let that go, and then we'll flip it. My buns are low carb. Bought them at Walmart, I think, and they're about the thickness of a McDonald's bun. Ready for a flip. That's like 30 seconds. You can see that. And then we'll just press that down. If you have a panini press, that would be good too. There you go. That's about another 30 seconds, a minute on that side, and you can see what that Reuben looks like. Oh, I can smell the beautiful corned beef there. Nicely cooked. Now, what I like to do is just kind of like flip the lid open just like a little bit and put some of my homemade sauerkraut in between when you're serving it nice and hot and fresh. There's my super easy Reuben sandwich. I'm going to serve this with a Greek salad on the side. I'll link to the Never Boil Again corned beef. But thanks for watching.